Hello everyone, from this video lecture we are going to discuss the remaining topic of the AIDS. In previous video lecture we have discussed about the AIDS till the mode of transmission, and now after the mode of transmission we are going to discussing about the remaining topic. So the remaining topic involve the host cell in human body. What are the host cell for HIV? Host cell of HIV in human. So if we observe the host cell in human is primarily it is the macrophages. The form of macrophages means first of all after entry of the virus in the body it infect the macrophages of the body के macrophages को ये affect करता है या infect करता है इसके अंदर enter करता है and the macrophages of our body they are called factory of HIV They are called factory of HIV because in macrophages after infection, the HIV becomes multiplying to many HIV to infect the other host cell, and the other host cell after macrophages, these are helper T lymphocyte. Helper T lymphocyte are another type of cells which are getting affected or which are act as the host cell inside the human body. And in short, it is given as a symbol, the symbol given for helper T cell it is in the form of T capital H. T capital H के फॉर्म में इसको सिंबलाइज किया जा सकता है helper T lymphocyte. So these are the two cells in our body which are the major, which are the host cell for HIV. HIV जो है इन्हीं सेल के अंदर एंटर करता है and after entry it becomes replicate और multiply और proliferate in numbers. अपने नंबर को जो है इंक्रीज करता है. So this is the reason why the immunity system of our body of the body of patient becomes deficient. तो immunity system में का जो सबसे बड़ा part होता है it is due to macrophages and helper T lymphocyte. Helper T lymphocyte and macrophages play important role in the immunity system of body, and due to decrease or destruction of these cells there will be deficiency of immunity system of body. The next thing we need to know about the symptoms of the disease. And the common symptoms for AIDS involve the fever, diarrhea, loss of body weight, okay, body weight loss, we can say weight loss. These are the common symptoms of the AIDS. But the other symptom which are appeared in the AIDS patient, it is in the form of the symptoms of subsequent disease. Means due to deficiency of immunity system in AIDS, the patient of AIDS suffer for many kind of subsequent infection by the other pathogens. अदर पैथोजन से जो है सब्सिक्वेंट इन्फेक्शन जो बॉडी में होते हैं आफ्टर सब्सिक्वेंट मीन्स द इन्फेक्शन आफ्टर एड्स, these infection cannot be recovered by our body, by the body of patient, sorry. So in that situation, if the disease will not recovered by the body because due to the deficiency of immunity system, क्योंकि इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम इसमें जो है वीक हो जाता है, डेफिशिएंट हो जाता है, इसलिए जो सब्सिक्वेंट डिजीज है वो रिकवर नहीं किए जा सकते। मीन्स immunity system fight with the pathogen of subsequent infection but cannot defeat the pathogen. इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम जो है पैथोजन को हरा नहीं पाता, एंड ड्यू टू नो डिफीटिंग द पैथोजन cause disease in the body and may remain in the body throughout the life, and these subsequent infection are the cause for death of the patient of AIDS. AIDS के patient के death के लिए responsible. So the major the another symptom appear of subsequent disease. Or diseases. The subsequent diseases means the diseases which are occur in body after AIDS. AIDS होने के बाद जो diseases body में होते हैं उनको हम subsequent disease। अगला टॉपिक जो है आफ्टर सिम्टम, इट इज द डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट। The diagnostic test is means how AIDS manifested in the people और इन ह्यूमन बीइंग। ह्यूमन बीइंग में जो है एड्स का मैनिफेस्टेशन जो है कैसे किया जाता है। सो ओनली बाय सिम्टम्स कैन नॉट बी एड्स मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक प्लेस। मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ एड्स टेक प्लेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ a number of tests, and these tests involve a common test for AIDS, it is ELISA. ELISA is a common test to diagnose AIDS in human. The full form of ELISA is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay is the full form of ELISA. In examination, the question asked as the full form of ELISA or maybe in the form of diagnostic test of AIDS. So the answer will be enzyme linked immunosorbent assay is the test for AIDS or to detect AIDS in person और इन ह्यूमन पे एड्स को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए ELISA टेस्ट किया जाता है। उसके अलावा जो है इट कैन आल्सो बी डिटेक्टेड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ RT-PCR। RT-PCR is another test to detect the AIDS in person, which is a modern technique for diagnosis of disease, especially the retroviral disease। जितने भी रेट्रोवायरस से जो डिजीज होते हैं उनको चेक करने के लिए RT-PCR का यूज किया जाता है। which RT means reverse transcriptase and PCR stand for polymerase chain reaction। So reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction is another test, diagnostic test for AIDS। So this is the diagnostic test. And now the next is treatment. So about the treatment, it is said that there is no effective treatment available for AIDS till now. अभी तक जो है एड्स के लिए कोई भी इफेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट अवेलेबल नहीं है, मीन्स नो एनी एंटीवायरल मेडिसिन इज अवेलेबल टू ट्रीट कंप्लीटली एड्स। एड्स को कंप्लीट ट्रीटमेंट नहीं किया जा सकता, बट पार्शियल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ फॉर एड्स इज अवेलेबल फॉर प्रोलॉन्गिंग द लाइफ ऑफ पेशेंट। पेशेंट के लाइफ को प्रोलॉन्ग करने के लिए जो है पार्शियल ट्रीटमेंट इज अवेलेबल। नो ट्रीटमेंट फॉर permanent use। Only treatment to prolong the life of patient। by antiviral medicine। Some antiviral medicines are available only to prolong the life of the patient of AIDS, and these are, here we can understand the medicine, about the medicine, medicine known as zidovudine। Zidovudine is one of the antiviral medicine to prolong only the life of पेशेंट ऑफ एड्स। एड्स के पेशेंट के लाइफ को ये प्रोलॉन्ग करने के लिए यूज किया जा सकता है। एंड इट इज आल्सो नोन एज एजिडोथायमिडीन। इसको दूसरे नाम से जाना जा सकता है एजिडोथायमिडीन। सो this treatment is only to prolong the life of the AIDS patient, not for the complete treatment of the disease। disease के complete treatment के लिए नहीं है, means there is no any medicine available to prevent the patient of AIDS from death, from his incomplete or death before completing life span। लाइफ स्पान को कंप्लीट किए बिना ही डेथ जो ऑकर होता है, इससे प्रिवेंट करने के लिए या इसको ट्रीट करने के लिए अभी तक कोई मेडिसिन अवेलेबल नहीं है। सो द नेक्स्ट, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज द प्रिवेंशन फ्रॉम एड्स, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ एड्स। And we can, or human can prevent from AIDS by a number of measurements, means a number of measures can use to prevent AIDS, and it is the best or only method to deal with the AIDS disease। एड्स को डील करने के लिए जो है, or to deal with AIDS, the only measurement is available, it is the preventive measures, because no treatment is available nowadays। अभी तक कोई ट्रीटमेंट मेथड जो है अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसकी वजह से हम प्रिवेंशन से एड्स से बचे रह सकते हैं। So, what are the preventive measures used to prevent AIDS? We can make a list on the basis of mode of transmission. So, because of the AIDS is commonly transmitted from infected person to healthy person during the unprotected sexual contact. So, by ensuring the protected sexual intercourse, we can prevent from AIDS. So, the first preventive measure by using protective measure as in the form of control during sexual contact. The other mode of transmission involved through blood transfusion. So, the regular monitoring of blood transfusion can also prevent from AIDS. AIDS से बचने के लिए रेगुलर मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन का होना जरूरी है. Means the proper monitoring, regular and proper monitoring of blood transfusion is another preventive measure. ये भी एक तरह का preventive measure हो सकता है. Then the another preventive measure can be taken as avoiding the use of needle, blade as well as syringe multiple time. Multiple time use of the same blade needle is should be avoided. इसको अवॉइड होना चाहिए. Means we need to use or we have to use disposable syringe blade as well as needle. Needle blade और syringe का disposable use होना चाहिए. Means by ensuring the use of disposable needle, syringe and blade. Syringe, blade and razor. So these should be disposable for multiple use. Multiple use के लिए ये disposable होने चाहिए. So we can remain prevented from the AIDS disease. Now the next preventive measure involve the free distribution of of condoms by government can also prevent the AIDS is spread in human society. Then, by controlling drug abuse, As we have discussed that the drug abuser use a single uh, syringe to transfer the drug intravenously for multiple times or many peoples का जो ग्रुप होता है ड्रग एब्यूजर का जो ग्रुप होता है by using single syringe they transfer drug in their body intravenously, so that will also leads to transmit the AIDS disease if a person remain infected in that group. उस ग्रुप में अगर कोई भी पर्सन इन्फेक्टेड है तो पूरे पर्सन में ट्रांसमिट होने के चांसेस बढ़े. The next possible measurement it is avoiding the unprotected sex. So we have already discussed by using protective measure during sexual contact. So these are the various kind of preventive measures to prevent from AIDS. And now the next is the promote the preventive measures in the human society. The government agencies or organization work over or work for AIDS. उसके बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे. These agencies or organization also work for AIDS. To create awareness to spread awareness about the preventive measures against the AIDS and also to its fatal effect in human society. There are a number of agencies or organizations established for AIDS, and one of the agency it is the NACO, National AIDS Control Organization. In our country, National AIDS Control Organization is for AIDS to spread the awareness and also involve other NGOs, non-government agencies or organizations. So along with National AIDS Control Organization, which is a government agency, non-government organization also work to create awareness for AIDS in India. इंडिया में जो है ये दो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो एड्स के अवेयरनेस के लिए क्रिएट किए गए हैं. Then worldwide awareness for AIDS is also created by WHO. World Health Organization. To create awareness over worldwide. So these are the agencies or institution, organization to create awareness for the AIDS to spread or to prevent from its transmission. So these are the various topics related to AIDS which are remain, and in first part we have discussed about the cause, incubation period, as well as mode of transmission, and in this lecture we have discussed about the uh, host cell of AIDS in human body, then about the symptoms which are created or appeared after the AIDS, and then about the test, diagnostic tests to detect the AIDS in human, and then we have also discussed the preventive measures, various preventive measures to deal with the AIDS, and then the agencies or organization which also play important role to create awareness about the AIDS. This is all about the AIDS, and from next video lecture we will discuss about the next disease, that is cancer.